How to fix Minecraft Launcher not installing. Firstly, open Settings on your device. Then go to the Options System. Right now we are just checking the device compatibility. Make sure that the device that you're trying to install it is compatible for the installation. Now go to About and check the compatibility of your device. After making sure that your device is compatible, open any web browser. Now go to the search bar on the top and type in Minecraft Launcher and search for it. Once you have searched for this, then click on the first link, which is the official one called minecraft.net. Now click on Download for Windows and the downloading process will start. Once it has been installed, then go to the search bar on your taskbar and type in Launcher. On the right section, click on Run as Administrator. After doing this, all your problems should be fixed. If you are still facing issues, then make sure to check for software updates that may be available for your Windows. That's all for today. Thank you.